I'm here at the Sanctuary Cove International Boat Show on the Gold Coast, and Riviera has lifted the covers of something pretty special. This is the world premiere of the 6200 Sport Yacht Platinum Edition, and I'm about to take you through every inch of it. Over 68 feet of Australian-built yacht, making its world debut right here on the Gold Coast. This is Riviera's biggest and boldest sport yacht yet. At the back, a swim platform lowers and steps down to the waterline, so getting in and out of the water is easy for everyone. Behind it, the tender garage fits a 3.6-meter rib with outboard, 2 sea bobs, a paddleboard, dive gear. It all goes in, and it all comes out again via built-in roller and winch. No heavy lifting required. Step aboard and you're straight into the aft deck. Full-width lounge across the back. A proper dining area with a handcrafted timber table and an entertainer's galley that's actually worth the name, complete with barbecue, hot plate, ice maker, wet bar, and refrigeration drawers. Once that saloon door slides open, the aft deck and the saloon become one big connected space. It makes the whole boat feel enormous. Inside, the galley is the full picture. Induction cooktop, oven, dishwasher, full-height fridge, freezer drawers, wine cooler, bar station. And the saloon? 3 lounge settings, a fold-away dining table, and a big LED TV that rises at the push of a button. Up at the helm, it's all touchscreen navigation, a curved glass windscreen and hand-stitched leather seats. And here's the feature that'll matter most when you're pulling into a tight marina. 3 joystick docking stations, 1 at the helm, 2 on the aft deck. You can bring this boat alongside from pretty much anywhere on board. Flow the wide side decks forward and you hit the foredeck. And this isn't just a place to store the anchor, it's a full entertaining space. The CU-shaped lounge conversation area and the forward sun pads have hinged backrests so they convert between upright seating and full flat sun lounges. Icebox for drinks, stereo speakers, companion table. It's essentially a second social deck, just at the front of the boat. Head below and you've got a choice of 3 or 4 staterooms. The master runs the full width of the hull, king-size island bed, cedar wardrobes, chaise lounge, frameless glass shower, heated towel rail. Forward, the VIP stateroom has a queen-size island bed and its own ensuite. And the guest cabin? It flips between twin singles and a double at the touch of a button. Powering the 6200 Sport Yacht Platinum Edition are twin Volvo Penta D13 IPS at 900 horsepower each. Plenty of performance with the fuel efficiency that IPS is known for. Built right here in Australia, Riviera backs the 6200 Sport Yacht Platinum Edition with a 2-year express warranty and a 7-year structural warranty.